In this video, we will show how to insert a spandrel in SeismoStruct. Starting in the Sections tab, we click Add. In the dialog window that appears, we first assign a name to the section. And then we select the section type from the drop-down menu. We select Masonry Spandrel Section, MSS. 3 different materials need to be defined. Longitudinal reinforcement, transverse reinforcement, and masonry. After defining all the section properties, we click OK. Next, to the Element Classes tab. We select Masonry. Clicking at the Add button, a window opens. We assign the name in the Element Class field, and we select the element type from the drop-down menu. In the Section Name field, we select the Spandrel section. And we click OK. After defining all the parameters for the spandrel, we proceed to the Element Connectivity tab. Here, we first select the Add button. In the dialog window that opens, we enter a name to the element we want to insert. And then we select the corresponding element class. 2 nodes need to be defined for these element types, representing the end nodes of the element, thus defining its length, position in space and direction, for local axis 1. For the first node, we select node 4. And for the second node we select node 3. A rotation angle or a third node is required, so as to define the orientation of the element's cross-section, for local axes 2 and 3, as described in global and local axis system. In addition, for each wall element, it is possible to specify rigid offsets lengths, in global coordinates, by assigning a value for dx, dy, and dz, to nodes 1 and 2, respectively. We introduce rigid offsets to the element, in order to model the rigid area between the wall and the spandrels. In this way, we assign a displacement of x-axis, 0.6 to node 1, and minus 0.6 to node 2, while for the vertical direction z, we assign minus 0.15 for both node 1 and node 2, using the global coordinates. Once all nodes are defined, we click OK, and the spandrel is inserted.